Hi, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You can find a written version of this recipe by visiting my website, 3catsfoodie.com. Sweet and crisp blanched beans with a honey lemon and mustard dressing, topped with irresistible toasted almonds and feta cheese. This healthy and tasty salad goes well with almost anything. Let's begin. Dry toast half a cup of flaked almonds. In the pan they go. Stir over medium heat. Don't be tempted to walk away because they'll burn. Trust me, I know this happens to me a lot. Toast until aromatic and lightly golden. The almonds will be crispier with a nuttier flavor. Prepare a saucepan with some water and a teaspoon of salt. We need 500 grams of green beans. Gosh, they're costly, $20 a kilo. They must not be in season. Trim off the ends of the beans on both sides. Prepare a water bath with some ice cubes. This will give the beans a vibrant color and make them nice and crisp. Once the water comes to a boil, put the beans in. Blanch them for just a minute. Don't cook them any longer as they'll lose their texture. These look just about right. Drain the beans, then transfer them into the ice bath. Leave them in there for a minute, then drain. Here's a fancy salad spinner I hardly use. My son played with this when he was a toddler, so hopefully it still works. Let's take out those ice cubes. I'm not even sure how to use this. Let's see. We could also just use a tea towel. Removing water from the beans helps the salad from getting soggy and lets the dressing shine. Let's now make a simple but tasty dressing. We need 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, a plump, minced garlic clove, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a tablespoon of honey, half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Shake the dressing in a jar until combined, or just whisk it together quickly. Put the salad together just before you're ready to serve. It's always good to just give the dressing another shake. Toss the beans until they're all nicely coated in the dressing. So yum! They're perfect, sweet and crisp. Top with crunchy toasted almonds. Then sprinkle 2 tablespoons of creamy, crumbled feta cheese. There we have it, a salad that's so simple, but so crazy delicious. Your guest will love this at your next gathering. Visit me at 3catsfoodie.com. You'll find a written recipe with a clear, step-by-step guide and tips. I have also converted the cooking measurements so it's user-friendly. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.